One of the bombshell announcements of MWC 2017 was the revamped Nokia 3310. Following up on the buzz at MWC 2018 will be tough for manufacturer HMD Global, but it will give it a try with a 4G-enabled version of the phone called the Nokia 3310 4G. Unlike the top-secret Samsung Galaxy S9, the 3310 4G has actually already been announced in China, but isn't confirmed for arrival elsewhere. These are the sort of details we look forward to being revealed at MWC. Even so, the device is in the open and as such, we know a lot about it. The 4G-friendly 3310 will look the same as last year's model, but the software inside is reportedly improved over a Java-based platform to an Android-based operating system made by Chinese retail giant Alibaba, though that could change if it makes it to the US, UK or AU regions. The big 4G differences. Hopping up from 2G and 3G to 4G with the new version of the Nokia 3310 comes with its share of perks, including the ability to act as a Wi-Fi hotspot, and high-definition VoLTE calling support. Since the phone doesn't appear to have changed, the same can presumably be said about its battery life. Based on projections, 4G looks to take a heavy toll on the 3310, bringing the lifespan down to about 5 hours of talk time compared to the 2G version's 15-hour target. Global availability of the Nokia 3310 4G is unconfirmed, as is its price, but we expect at least a $20-30 premium for the feature compared to the 3G version, which sits at $59 in the US. £59.99 in the UK and $89.95 in Australia. If it shows up at MWC at the end of February, Nokia's nostalgia trip of a phone might not capture hearts and minds that it did last year, but a 4G enhanced classic will certainly appeal to a good amount of people.